I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about a haul video of two famous Instagram stores. One is Street Style Store and one is Street Style Stop. So I'm going to be comparing both these stores, and the basic idea is actually I was searching for the alternative of Shein. By the way, this top is from Shein and I just miss Shein so much. So yeah, I was finding an alternative for Shein, so I got stuck on these two stores which are quite like in these days. So I bought some of the stuff from both these stores. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So starting with Street Style Stock, I received in 1 week I guess I ordered a set. Two-piece set you can say, and the total cost I got it for is rupees 998, including all delivery charges, as I opt for cash on delivery. So moving on, I got first of all I got this red cami top kind of thing, and like stuff is quite fine and stretchy also, but the only complaint is I ordered it for extra small size and the strip was again falling down. It was quite loose, and I guess if you are a size small you should order for a size down. Like if you are small you could order extra small size. So overall the top is good. Along with it I got these pants. Actually I ordered this because बहुत time से I wanted something full red, and this when I wore these two, this remember me of the song of Kareena Kapoor. देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा. I got it altered as it was too loose. So the pant was good, but the only thing was with this top. So the quality of the cloth is fine. Like price wise it's alright. So I'm going to rate it 7.5 to the whole set, and the fit was also alright, so I'm going to rate it 8. And what else, price wise it was also fine, quite affordable, so it's a thumbs up. If you are planning to buy it, you could go for it. Moving on to Street Style Store. So ये एक ऐतिहासिक, ये एक बहुत ही क्या कहें, बहुत ही ये इसका गिनीज रिकॉर्ड में इसको लिखवाना चाहिए. ये मेरे पास 1 month समथिंग 7 to 8 days या ज़्यादा ही 1 month से भी ज़्यादा में आया है, एंड आई एम नॉट श्योर उन्होंने ऐसा क्या टाइम लगा दिया जो उनको 1 महीना लग गया. एंड ये तीनों चीज आई ऑर्डर 3 क्लोथिंग फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर. एक्चुअली ये एक स्कीम होती है इनकी कि 999 में दे गिव यू 3 क्लोथिंग, एंड but I got these 3 in 1200 something, and it's okay. But let's move on to this, because इसका जब ये आया 1 महीने बाद, एक तो I was very pissed off क्योंकि इतना वेट करना किसी भी चीज़ के लिए is like very annoying. And ये जब आया I was not happy because इसका जो like it suits me, it looks good on me, but इसका जो clothing था I expected lot more. It's in maroon color. It's a jumpsuit, and all the clothing I ordered is in size extra small. क्या ही करूँ. Cloth is I guess polyester. The cloth is polyester, so fitting wise it was very nice. It fits me very well. It hugged my body like anything. So fitting wise I have no complaint. It gave me a very like chic shape, and I love the fit. So fitting wise I will rate it 9. And what cloth wise I would rate it 6, because I don't like this cloth at all. Delivery wise so it was like I wish I could give minus rating. Literally 1.5 महीना कोई किसी के लिए कैसे वेट कर सकता है. So moving on, ये मैंने एक सेट ऑर्डर कराया था जिसका टॉप पता नहीं कहाँ ही खा गए ये लोग 1 महीने के अंदर. एंड आई रिसीव्ड ओनली these pants which are quite see through, very much see through, and like I ordered size XS, extra small in it. like देखने में ये बहुत अलग लग रहा था, साइड पे बहुत ज़्यादा कलर भी इसका ऐसा, कपड़ा तो ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा था. एंड व्हाट आई हैव नोटिस दिस स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर में सारे ही जो जितने भी मैंने क्लोथिंग मंगवाए सारे ही सेम टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स के हैं, पॉलिएस्टर सा ही है ये कुछ. एंड लाइक पहनने के बाद एक्चुअली आई डोंट रिसीव द टॉप विच वॉज लाइक शोन इन द सेट, एंड आई रिसीव दीज पैंट्स. इसको फिर मैंने एक अपने टॉप के साथ स्टाइल किया, जो स्टाइल करके पहनने में तो ठीक लग रहा था, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो आई एम गोइंग टू वेयर दीज as one reason it's very see through, and other is ये थोड़ा जोकर टाइप दिख रहा है. Okay, so actually I was very sad after receiving this in 1 month. So I am going to rate it. Size wise is fine. I'll give it 6.5, and cloth I'm going to give it 4. Very bad, and overall I didn't like it. If you are planning this, don't try it at all. Your money is going to be wasted. So yeah, moving on to the last. Okay, this was one thing which I was like quite satisfied with it. It's in size extra small. मुझे बहुत ही कुछ tan color से top चाहिए था, and it was like looking so pretty in the side, and I'm not going to complain about it. I just loved it. It fits my body like heaven. It's very good, and जैसा मैंने expect किया था ये somehow वैसा ही है. The color is like more orangish, and I expected more tannish color. I don't know ये कैमरे में कैसा दिख रहा है, लेकिन and I loved these ruffle on the sleeves, and ये quite बहुत formal सा है, बहुत I loved it. I liked it. So size wise, like fit wise, I'm going to rate it 8, and overall I'm going to rate it also 8 only. And I just loved it. If you are planning for something like normal सा कहीं day to day पहनने के लिए, so it's a good thing. और ये basically जैसे अभी अक्टूबर नवंबर के लिए ये ठीक है, जब ज़्यादा सर्दी भी नहीं होती, and like you just want to wear something full sleeves जैसा कुछ, so it's fine. And this was something कि मुझे लगा कि हाँ ठीक है, if I paid 1200, I'm thinking मैंने सिर्फ 1200 इस टॉप के लिए ही दिए, because I'm not going to wear this, not at all. And this is okay-ish something, this is okay-ish. So street style store ने काफ़ी मेरा, I'm not happy with it. Rather comparing street style stock से, street style stock से मैंने सिर्फ एक चीज़ मंगवाई है, and I'm okay with that. And मैंने street style store से actually footwears भी मंगवाए थे साथ में, लेकिन वो अभी तक मुझे नहीं आए हैं. So let's see, I'm going to be showing you guys whenever I receive it. So that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Also tell me which outfit you loved the most. If you watched the video till here, I love you guys. Thanks for all your support, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.